Welcome to the instructions for CleanTelligent, the software that Wycliffe College uses to submit maintenance requests. There are two ways of accessing CleanTelligent. One is by scanning a QR code, and the second is by accessing Wycliffe's intranet page. This tutorial will cover the intranet page. On a computer that is connected to Wycliffe's network, open any browser, Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox, or another browser of your choosing, and in the address line at the top, type in intranet. Note that it is not internet, but intranet, and hit enter on your keyboard. If you are prompted for a username and password, enter your Wycliffe username and password. Wycliffe's intranet page will then open, and on the left-hand side, you will see a listing of menu options. The one we'll be focused on are maintenance requests and the submenus under that. In this tutorial, we will be stepping through how to submit a maintenance request for an office. If you wish to submit a maintenance request for another area of the college, you can select the submenu under Maintenance Requests that the area falls under. On the left-hand side, click Offices, and the submenus of Faculty and Staff will appear on the right. Click the arrow to the left of Position to expand the submenu and display all offices for that category. Scroll down the list and select the office that you wish to submit a maintenance request for. In the form that appears, select the item that you are having an issue with: air conditioner, blinds, door lock, heater, lights, or other. Provide some details as to what the issue is about, and click Submit to submit the maintenance request. If you wish to find out the status of your maintenance request, you can contact Ben, the front desk supervisor, and he will be able to look up the information. Other front desk staff are unable to look up the status.